Okay, so I'm going to do a brief summary on how to use Prezi, which is a website you can use for presentations and as a more entertaining, I guess, and fun way of doing presentations rather than like a PowerPoint or Word document or something like that. So once you get everything set up, it'll bring you to where to choose a template, like around here. And so you can kind of scroll down, look for one that you like, and there's tons of different templates. So there's a lot of different options, as you can see. And there's also different like sections for different types of templates. So if you're looking for something specifically that you can, there's lots of different things you can choose from, as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen. I'll just click on this one. And let me see, I'll pick a pretty easy one. This is pretty simple. And then you just click on it and then click use this template, and then I title the presentation. I'll just do example presentation, and then you have to do anyone on the web because the people I share with, it's an add-on, which costs money. So click that, and then it'll bring you to the basic overview. And there's so much you can do at Prezi's. So it starts off looking a certain way, but it's not hard to change it and make it your own at all. So if you go up to the top where it says insert, right here, I click on that plus sign, and you can put anything from your library. You can add text, images, GIFs, stickers. There's so much you can do. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, it's going to show you the slides. And so each slide, there can be separate like sub-slides. So I'm going to click on this, and then it's going to bring me to all the separate slides that are connected to that one. And then if you click on your arrows on your keyboard, you can kind of go through all of them like so. And just because you don't see a slide pop up on the home page doesn't mean that there's not other slides to go through. So I'm going to go back to the big page, and like, of course, you can pick one and edit it, and then you can also move these around. Like, you can do whatever you want, make it's bigger, smaller, more condensed, whatever. You can also change colors, and it changes the whole color template. So it's not just one slide or one thing, like it changes everything. And you can change shapes of things. So right now they're all like kind of a cloud looking thing. Now you got squares. And that's all up here where it says style, and it looks like a little magic wand. Keep clicking through them. That one looks nice. You can change the background. So it did look like a paper. Now it looks like lots of different options. Keep going through them if you want. Find which one you like. And then, so you can also change the text to different, and this makes it super easy so you don't have to go in there by hand and like copy paste everything to the same font and everything. It just kind of does it for you. So once you get something how you want it to look, you can go to up at the top in the right hand corner, there's a blue button where my cursor is, and it's present, and you'll kind of see what it might look like. And then you'll just like click the buttons down at the bottom, and it'll bring you through everything just like so. And see how there's multiple slides that you don't see from the home screen that are more in depth. So it's a really interesting way of making presentations because it's not all just sitting there ready to be seen. Like, there's different things that just pop up that you don't necessarily expect, and it just makes presenting a lot cooler, and it can make it look a lot more professional and planned out too, but it's also super easy, so you're not struggling to make a really, really nice presentation. But yeah, so just hit escape, and then you can share it once you're done, you can save it, anything you really want to do. And yeah, that's how to make a Prezi.